In other news, Samoa's annual independence celebrations took on greater significance this year.
That's right, Samoa celebrated 50 years of independence earlier this month with 5 days of celebrations. John Pulu has some of the highlights from the Golden Jubilee.
It's a day of unity. The nation joins together to celebrate freedom. In 1962, Samoa became independent after a period of colonial rule. Lessons learnt over the past 50 years are remembered today.
We learned a lot about struggles, but most importantly, we learned a lot about ourselves. I mean, we came to value the things that matter, our inheritance, our heritage, the things that motivated our forebears.
The celebrations continue with thousands queued to proudly march in front of Samoa's head of state and guest dignitaries.
We're so proud to be Samoan, and we want to march for our country and also our school. Our freedom.
And it's also a tribute to our forefathers and what they've done to our country to gain our independence.
I know everyone's so excited, and we're very proud in these times to be Samoan.
By nightfall, the festivities moved to a different beat. Apia Park was transformed into a stage. People's jubilation was expressed on land and even on water.
This celebration is about soul. It's about finding ourselves. It's about rediscovering our heritage and the things that matter. And the legacy that is left to us by our forebears.
A proud nation embracing Samoa, more Samoa.
Happy 50th, Samoa!
Samoa, more Samoa, whawhakaikele, love it. And you can catch an hour-long special from the 50th independence celebrations in 2 weeks' time here on Tagata Pasifika.